Good afternoon once again. Today we are going to talk about how to learn a new language. Last time we are talking about self-confidence. Is the key? Yeah, self-confidence is the key. But today we are going to talk about, we are going to answer this question of how to learn a new language. And I have my friend here, he's from Congo, and he speaks French. But now he speaks English. So I'm going to ask him a question. How did he come to learn the English? So Glody, nice to meet you again.
Yes.
Mr. Satmon.
That's
how I say I'm David, but not Satmon. Satmon David.
I got you.
So Glody, I'll be asking you question in French and English, but you are to answer me in English. Same English, new language you learn. So Glody, how did you come to learn a new language, which is the English now?
Well, so my journey starts in 2018 when I first came here in Morocco. Back in my country, I used to speak only French. Because in Congo, it's a French-speaking country, we only speak French and our local language. So when I came here, I thought it was, when I came, everyone in school, at class, speak two languages. I can say three: Arabic, French, and English. And that blew my mind. It was like mind blown for me because I know Morocco is a French-speaking country. I thought people only speak French and Arabic. So I was surprised to see at least all Moroccans in class speaking English. So that's why I started my journey. I started asking some of my friends, my colleagues, how did they learn English? So they explained me. One of my friends, his name was Akram. He said, I learned English on my own, in YouTube and just in watching movie and TV shows. So that's why I started learning English on my own. So I start by downloading an app called Duolingo. I started learning English now, and when I get some confidence and some notion, I start watching YouTube video. And I watch it, and I started watching in late 2019. So the COVID came, the lockdown and the COVID-19 came. So I was home. So this period will help me because I was home free and I started watching video and TV shows. That's why I improved.
Mais est-ce que vous avez trouvé des difficultés que tu as trouvées pendant le langue? Quelles sont les difficultés, s'il vous plaît?
I can say two type of difficulties. The first one is, as I say, I started learning English at home. So I didn't have someone to speak and to practice with it. And the second one is